Finding the courage to be seen. Today, while spending time in nature, I found myself reflecting on how much courage it can take to simply be ourselves. Nature does not apologize for its presence. Trees do not question whether they deserve space to grow. Flowers do not compare their bloom to another. And yet, as humans, many of us spend years minimizing parts of ourselves in order to feel safe or accepted. Perhaps healing begins when we slowly allow ourselves to take up space again, gently, honestly, and without apology. Maybe today is simply an invitation to soften the need to hide and trust that who you truly are is already enough.